Hello, my name is Ramon, and this is my review of the Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. And I want to start off by saying, if you're looking to learn how to trade, learn about Forex, then I believe this is the right place for you to learn. The class is 100% free. He teaches you about exponential moving averages, Fibonacci replacement, support and resistance, trend lines, your mindset, your risk management, how to read candlesticks, and so much more. So if you're someone like me who fell into the trap of that earn while you learn type of thing and it didn't work out because you didn't really learn how to trade, then this is the place where you come, because it actually teaches you how to trade. So I'd recommend this class to anyone, and I'd say it has definitely helped me, and I look forward to amazing results in the future, especially in the private student group, which is on Facebook, where you can post your charts, your markups, and you get reviews, and any help that you need, you can ask questions there and you'll be helped. And that has been very beneficial to me. So I hope that this is the sign that you need to go ahead and take action and take this class by Saad Ali, the Forex Beginners Academy.